Thogus was founded in 1950 by Jack Thompson. We are located in Avon Lake, Ohio, which is 20 minutes west of Cleveland. We are 24/5 operation. Primary markets that we service are medical device, healthcare, health tech, and outdoor sport, which includes football helmets. The business drivers that led us to develop automation internally were primarily driven from advanced technologies that we needed to incorporate into the business for cost efficiency, reliability, quality and regulatory, as well as advancement of our current employees. We're in a market right now where labor is scarce, so you need to upskill your existing people.
When we originally jumped into this business of molding on-field helmets and having to have a drilling operation afterwards, we thought about doing drilling fixtures, static drilling fixtures. We quickly realized that wasn't going to work out. There was a ton of downtime. It was very slow and it couldn't keep up with the injection molding cycle. So it created a bottleneck in our operation.
So Thogus had multiple core challenges that we wanted to work with them to solve for this project. Some of them include increasing throughput, machine accuracy, and hole placement on the helmets. There's 10 or a dozen different holes that need to be drilled into the helmets. And without an automated system, it would have been impossible for them to actually get the output and throughput that they would require to deliver to their customer. We were able to help eliminate some of their bottlenecks by designing the layout such that it allowed for interfacing between their existing XY gantry system to the system fixture. We designed and installed the system to have two opposing LR Mate robots. The compact size and payload requirements dictated that the 7L version of the LR Mate be used for this project. We needed the reach. We also needed a little bit extra payload on this because of the tooling.
So the improvements that we saw after the implementation of the new automation cell were an immediate increase in the overall throughput of the cell, about a 25% increase in the amount of shells that we could produce per hour. We also saw improvement in our flexibility, being able to pivot from one manufacturing process to another by ease of changing the programs and the fixtures out in the automation cell. This investment positions us to handle growth with our customer in the future because now if they make a product change or a modification, we can add programs or modify programs in the cell or update fixtures, and we can grow with them without having to build an entire new cell.
We work and live in a global economy, so there is always global economic conditions that we are fighting. So if we continue to advance the automation, we're out front and we're driving value through automation and engineered services that make us as productive and efficient to make our customers' jobs easier and more competitive.